All right, guys. So I'm super excited. I ended up ordering a unit from CurlyMe. I've never tried this brand. It's supposed to be a glueless wig, and you're supposed to just be able to throw it on. And we're gonna see, how this does. Super. So the unit in a little Ziploc bag. They also gave like a satin bag to put the wig in. Inside the satin bag, we have a wig cap, an edge brush, and an elastic band. We also have some lashes. I never wear lashes that they send, and I always feel like they send like bulky, unnatural lashes. I don't like lashes like that. But cute box. I love the packaging. Super cute. Then this is the wig. I believe I ordered a 16-inch unit. Also, like just the initial. The curls are really pretty, and it has like this perfume smell. I don't necessarily like the perfume smells, but it's all right. Like it doesn't. It's not like a unit that smells bad. It smells like really good. It smells like it's been conditioned or something. I don't know. I like the way the lace looks. Just like naturally looking at it. It's also supposed to be pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and I can tell that they cut the lace. It's like you already have the elastic band inside of it. Is the whole unit. The hair feels nice and soft, thick at the bottom, a little thin at the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on for you guys. The wig is on. First initial impression is I like the way that the hairline is. It's obviously not like ready to wear. I'm gonna have to cut some more of this lace to make it a little bit more realistic and also blend this into my skin tone because obviously it's like very tan. This is not blending in well. First, let's fix this lace. I'm gonna go ahead and do my own little zigzag. A little better. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint this lace and blend this lace in because it's not blending. Okay, I'll be back. That is blended in. I blended the lace with my skin. I just put some of like my foundation pressed powder on the lace, and as you can see, that looks so much better. Now, like close up, you can see the lace. So I don't mind a glueless wig, but however, I do want at least this front part to at least seem like it's flat. So what I'm gonna do is I ordered some of the Bow Hold lace jelly. I'm really excited to try this. I've never tried this, but I've always loved her products. So we're gonna go ahead and put the lace jelly like right here, and we're just gonna let that dry. Pull the lace back a little bit and just take the end of this little edge comb and just tie it right here. We're gonna go ahead and wet these curls. See what it's looking like wet. Should probably get a towel so I'm not soaking wet. Oh. We do have a little bit of shedding. This is just me rubbing my fingers through it. Oh, this is shedding. This is shedding. This finger detangling and I can feel this hair shedding. don't know how much hair I just pulled out of this side. I don't know. I don't know. This is not giving minimum shedding. And this was not necessarily like an expensive wig, but it wasn't cheap. And maybe this is since like this is like the first initial comb through the wig. I hope it doesn't shed this much on a daily, but we'll see. All right, so this hair is really pretty when it's wet. However, I really don't like this hair when it's dry. Like shrinkage is real. So I don't know if I need to get a different type of styling product to make it have a little bit more loose curls like this. Because honestly, I like for my curls to look like this. This hair gets really, really coily and it puffs up a lot when it's dry. So I'm going to try to style this really quickly with some twists and see how that holds up, because I think I'm gonna like it better with twists because the curls are really pretty. Now don't get me wrong, really, really pretty. Only thing I don't really like about this wig is it sheds a lot. That's how much hair I pulled out of it. Just, well, no, it's not how much hair I pulled out of it. This is how much hair I pulled out. And this is my, what, second comb through of the wig. So it sheds a lot. Let's go ahead, put some twist in it real quick, um, and see how this does. So what do I want to do? Let's take a small section. Curling foam on this. All right, I'm just going to do a couple pumps, not too much. Then I'm going to take some of this curl maker from Camille Rose that I got. That's a really small bottle. I should have got a bigger bottle. And I'm just going to rub this through the hair. And I'm going to section this right here in two. Do one more comb through and then just twist it. I think I want it to fall this way. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my whole head and then we will come back. Okay. Okay. So we finished the twist. I'm gonna let it dry. We're gonna do my makeup and then we're gonna come back and see how the twist turned out. Hopefully I like the style of the twist better and that just gives it, the look that I want it to have. So the twists are dry and I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of hair oil, and before I, unravel the twist, I'm just gonna put some hair oil right there on it. And we're just gonna go ahead and take the twist out. Pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking them out and I'll be back. This is gorgeous. Wow. Look at that. Now, I'm not gonna lie. At first, my first impression when I didn't like really define it, I just like sprayed it, did a little like this specific hair. You actually have to take your time and like actually define the curls and put some work into it. It can be a wash and go if you just want like the natural afro puff. It already has, its curl texture, so you don't have to do much if you don't want that. However, I like this. I like this type of look on me. The wig just looks so much better. It just looks like better control. It's styled better. Like, I don't know. I like this. The hair looks beautiful and bouncy. Only thing I really don't like about this wig is the shredding. Like, it really shreds. But this right here is gorgeous. I like it. I like it. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I think the twist out really helped me like this. I like it. Now, honestly, it's not fully dry, but I think once it like fully dries, the twist out is going to, help with the style and help the curls just look so much better. I really like this.